Hello guys, how are you doing? Hopefully okay. In this video I'm gonna show you how to easily download videos from Alibaba. Let's get started. So let's say for example this is the video that you wanna download. You're just gonna go here and copy the link of the product that you wanna download its video, and then go here and search save from net. This is a website for downloading videos. Then paste the link of the product and then click on download. Click on this one. Go here and click on download. Here we are. It's already downloaded. This is very easy. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. I will make sure to reply to all of your questions. Thank you so much for watching. See you next video. And if you think this video was helpful, make sure you drop a like and also subscribe. Thank you.